So dear students, we will see the demo of debugging code using GDB debugger. So I had installed VMware on my laptop virtual machine, VMware virtual machine. So in that I had installed my operating system, Ubuntu distribution I had installed. So using Vim editor, I am opening a file. So here this file, it consists of the code. So now this purposely the code is having the errors, some errors to find the factorial of a number. So that is here in this to find the factorial. So here it's a C code. So using the Vim editor, I typed this and I saved. And here this code is having two errors. That is J, that is to find the factorial of the number. So you are initializing three variables I, J and num. So you have to enter the number. So that is that is the number. So now using a for loop, and you are using a that is multiplication, that is J is equal to J star. So purposely I made two mistakes, that is I have not initialized J variable, and here this I in the for loop I should be less than or is equal to. So now using this, I am opening the terminal window. So now I am compiling this using C compiler. I am compiling with -G option the code factorial.c. So why I am compiling with -G option? So the first step is the code, that is your factorial.c program. It will be compiled. So and the debugging information also will be included in your binary executable file. So if I am not giving any name, so the binary default destination of binary executable file that is generated by compiling factorial.c, that is source code, is your a.out. So now I didn't given any name, so your a.out, so it will be hang. So now I am running this /a.out. So it is asking for entering a number, but the factorial is given, it is coming as 0. So it is coming as wrong. So now I have to debug the code. So for that I am using a GNU debugger. So GDB session I am starting. So and I am start debugging my code. So started GDB session. So GDB, that executable file I am running. So now a interactive GDB session I have started. So now to list your file, you can simply type L. So the program will be listed. To give a breakpoint, you can make corrections here and you can run it also. To make, that is to give a breakpoint. So if you find any errors in the code, any error, so you can give some breakpoints. So since this is a small program, so breakpoints, in case of large program, giving the breakpoints, it will be very useful. So now you are giving a breakpoint. For that, what is the syntax is break. Break can give break line number or simply B and line number. So now I am giving this line number 10. So this breakpoint 1 is given. So in the program factorial.c line number 10. So now you can continue for execution using by giving the step function yes. So the program is not being run in the GDB session, so you have to run the program in the GDB session. For running the program in the GDB session, the command is run. You have to give run. So the program is now started running. So it is asking for the number. So given 5. So now till the breakpoint 1 the program is running, and what is the possible error? So that is the J, it is not initialized, so that is the line number 10. Still I am continuing, so stepping through the program, so that is I am giving yes. So still again there is one more fault, that is line number 9. So line number 9, you here in the for loop I should be less than or equal to number. So you can give continue for a continue that is executing. So or you can go for back tracing using the BT command. So that is where it is program stopped, that you can using the back tracing command. So at line number 10, so line number 10, so the program that is factorial.c, it is initially stopped. So that is the first thing, it is stopped. So in this way you can able to debug the code, and finally you can make the corrections and you can run it. So this is how you will be using this. So to quit from the GDB session, you can type Q and come out of this. So it will be asking for option yes or N, so the process is running. So you can type yes and enter. So it is come out of the GDB session. So this is how you will be debugging a code.